affection. You're too shy to convey. Meditate my direction. Oh baby, feel your way. You better shape up, 'cause I need a man who can keep me satisfied. You better shape up. You